Begin by cutting out a 2-inch wide, 8-inch long strip of slab. This is a tad over 1/4 inch thick. Pinch down the center and then more outward towards the edges. Make sure the edges are smooth and rounded. Cut a 3/4 inch strip. Draw scallops to the halfway point. Cut the scallop strip out with an X-Acto or fettling knife. Pinch and pull the scallop gently away from the strip base. Repeat the scallop process until there's enough to go around the tray. Slip and score the scallop trim to the edges of the tray. Compress as you go. Compress the outside edge over the walls if needed. Roll out a thin coil and compress into the inner corners. Use your tray to serve appetizers such as a line of crackers, cheese slices, or olives. You can also poke a hole at a 45-degree angle on one end to make this into an incense holder.